Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to sign in on Nike app. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or of course the App Store, whichever you have, and download the Nike application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register into Nike if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and sign in on the Nike app. But before that, let's check out what we have in front of us here. So in the top right corner, we have the search bar. We have your profile. As you can see, you can click on there, and your back, and these three dots where you can click on also. Here you have your name, and you can go and enter your profile and all the stuff about your profile by clicking on your name in the top corner. We have new and featured, men, women. We have kids, Jordan, and sale. We have Jordan's Converse, as you can see. We have your favorites, things that you can of course go and put in favorites, bags, orders, find a store, and the help option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and sign in to your Nike app. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. First of all, when you're on the screen, you need to go and click on these three lines here in the top right corner and scroll down. And here where you have your name, you'll have the sign in option instead of your name. At the moment I'm signed into my account, that's why I don't have it, but it will be there. And of course, that is that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.